To solve the issue of Stripe payments not showing on Shopify, start by checking your Stripe account connection. Ensure that your Stripe account is properly connected to your Shopify store. Go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Payment Providers section. Click on Edit for Stripe and verify that all the required information is filled in correctly. Next, check your payment settings to ensure that Stripe is enabled as a payment method. Make sure that the correct API keys are entered and that the test mode is disabled. If you are using a third-party app to manage your Stripe payments, check the app settings to ensure that it is configured correctly. Another common cause of this issue is incorrect currency settings. Ensure that the currency set in your Stripe account matches the currency set in your Shopify store. If the currencies do not match, payments may not be processed correctly. It is also important to check for any errors in your Shopify theme. Sometimes, theme files can become corrupted, causing issues with payment gateways. Try switching to a default theme to see if the issue persists. If the issue is resolved, then the problem lies with your custom theme. In addition, check your Stripe dashboard for any failed payments or errors. This can give you an idea of what is going wrong and help you to troubleshoot the issue. Make sure that your Stripe account is not in test mode, as this can also prevent payments from being processed. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try reinstalling the Stripe payment gateway or contacting Shopify support for further assistance. They can help you to troubleshoot the issue and provide more detailed guidance on how to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Stripe payments not showing on Shopify and get your payment gateway up and running smoothly.